Haflong is located in the Dimahasao district of Assam at a distance of about 95 km from Silchar and 330 km from Guwahati. With windowing roads, beautiful valleys, rich forests, diverse wildlife, and a soothing environment, this unexplored hill station of Assam is a perfect spot to spend a vacation away from the disturbance of the city life. Where tourists look out for hilly regions to spend their vacation in, northeastern states in India take a clear stride. Be it Assam or Meghalaya, tourists look out for majestic beauty to enhance their visit. One such place that is reigning the choice of all tourists is a beautiful place called Haflong, tucked away from the city life of Assam. Situated amidst the rolling plains of northeast India, Haflong is the only hill station in Assam. Amazing views of steep valleys and the tranquility of alluring mountains is what one should expect while being in Haflong. Delight yourself with a short vacation in this bed of culturally rich hill station and unwind amidst its natural beauty. Being a hill station, Haflong maintains a favorable climate throughout the year and hence it can be visited anytime in a year. However, the appropriate time to witness the best of its natural beauty and savor its beautiful weather is from September until the end of March.